Alright, so I wanted to make this video here to help all you guys that are getting my tunes. Make sure your stuff is set up right. So when you guys run the tunes, I'm not getting a bunch of messages here saying, oh, well, it's popping, it's cracking, it's you know, I don't have the same parameters on mine as what you do on your tune. So here we go. Here's what we're going to do. So the first thing you want to do is you got to go over here to vehicle selection. Click on that. It's going to bring up your list of everything that is compatible with this Quadzilla. So you want to scroll all the way down. The second from the bottom and the third from the bottom. You got V2 Dodge 1998 to 2002. This is for all you guys with the non 4K boxes. Make sure it's version 2.7. You guys will use that. The guys that have 4K boxes, you will use the one right below that. V2 Dodge 1998 to 2002 4K. Don't use V2 Quadzilla only. Don't come up here and use Dodge 1998 version 1.9. The only two you need to worry about are these two right here. So if you're not sure if you have a 4K box, the serial number on your box itself should have a 4K in it. That's the best way to tell if you have a 4K box or not. I don't care if the guy you bought it from said you have a 4K box. If it's not a serial number, it's not 4K. Simple as that. So we're going to click on that. Click OK. We're going to come back here into our menu. Excuse me. The next spot I want you guys to go is the settings. Make sure your boost defueling, EGT defuel settings, make sure all these are off. Okay, this is just for the dialing in process of the tune. I want all your defuel settings off. Now your sensor warnings. Boost pressure sensor, shut it off. Coolant, shut it off. EGT's off, off, off. Shut everything off. Every little thing that pops up for defuel or any type of warning is going to make this tune not act right. It's going to give you all kinds of problems. So once you got all that done, you're all squared away. So we're going to come into custom tuning. Hit custom tuning. You go up here, you hit new. When you're putting in my tunes, you got to hit new. Name the tune, race tune. Done. Save it. Now, from that point, you can come in and hit edit. My tunes that I send you are going to be in the same exact order as everything that you have here. Okay? Everything is going to be the same exact order. When you get to the RPM timing max equalizer, click on that. It's going to bring over what you need to set everything to, or it's just going to bring up how it needs to be put in. Always hit save when you do this. Obviously, I just put those in real quick, but hit save, and it should go back. If you click on it again, it should be in there. It should be saved. Also, boost level fueling CAN bus. It's also an equalizer. You can either do the sliders, or you can click on the square right below the slider and type in each value that I have in the tune. Save it. When you're done with the tune, save it, and you should be good to go to run it. Hit yes, boom, you're done. Okay, those of you that want the high idle or have issues with the high idle, it's not working, whatever, you go into your settings. You have to have your high idle delay setting on, and your warm-up mode. If you have that on, you can come down here to high idle delay. You can click on that and say you want it to turn on 10 seconds after you start the truck. Okay, save it. So as soon as you start the truck, it'll wait 10 seconds and then it will go into high idle. Now with the warm-up setting mode, or with the warm-up mode setting on, it'll go into high idle with whatever power level that you're on. It doesn't matter. if you have this warm-up mode setting off, you have to be in level 0 for your high idle to work. So these are just some of the little things that guys are having issues with. The turbo timer, honestly, I've never really used it, so I was told that it's just basically based off of the settings that you have in there. So I hope this video kind of helps you guys out, clears up any questions that you have. Like I said, the only 2 vehicle selections that you need to be using are at the bottom of the list: V2, 1998 to 2002, and the 4K. That is it. Thanks, guys.